Hello guys, in this video I will actually show you another LLM API gateway which offers you free API keys and credits, and it has all the premium AI models. It's called as OpenProvider Mimica. If you directly type this on Google, the very first website which comes, it's similar to OpenRouter, as it's actually one API for all the AI models. A total of around 1000 models are there. Some are free, some are paid, similar to OpenRouter. And it's a really new website. I'm just using it for 6 weeks now. And it's a really good website. I've given the link in the description. So it has almost 1000 models: Claude, Opus, Gemini, GPT, Quen, DeepSeek, all the major models. So this is their landing page. Now to get started, you simply sign up using your Google account. It's very easy. Simply click on that, and this will just take 2 minutes to sign up. And after that, you will be able to create the API keys. So once you get started right here, it will see you the list of models right here. It will text related, image generation, video generation, speech. So some models are free, some models are paid. So you can see the OpenProvider auto model. The context window input output cost is actually shown to you. They do offer a playground section as well. Right here you can try out the model. Similarly, you can, this is the image playground section. Then we also have the chatting section as well. You select the free model, so I simply can ask a question top. So as you ask the question right here, it will simply send this request. Now to create the API key, so you can see it generated the response to you. It's actually using the OpenProvider auto free model. From here you can change the model as well. So these are the free models which are there: GPT, NVIDIA, DeepSeek. These free models you can directly chat unlimited. And now to create the API key, you go to API keys. These are the documentation which is given to you. Click on create key and your API key will be created. So simply copy this API key to clipboard. After that, this is your account right here. So you can even have different providers. You can edit different providers: LLM, Pollination, NVIDIA, Cloudflare. So you can see different providers are there. You can even connect those providers as well. You simply need to paste their API key, the base URL and the API key, and then you can connect these providers to this as well. So this is actually the documentation, official documentation, which is given how to get started. So right here they have given this, the base URL. So this will be the base URL, the API key, and so now to connect to inside VS Code, I will highly recommend that you install this extension, which is RuCode or Clean. Any of these extensions will work. Simply install this extension. After that, just activate this and go to the authentication right here, configuration. This screen will open, and simply select from here OpenAI compatible, and then the base URL. This will be the base URL, so you simply copy this base URL, paste it, and then inside the API key you need to get the API key that you get. Already I have created once. So go to API keys, click on create key, and this will give you this. Simply copy this API key, simply paste it, and from here you select the model. You can select any of the free models. As you can see, open router, open provider, auto free. Click on save, and now you simply type a message to call the API. You will see that now the API will respond to you as you press the send button, you will see that it will simply tell you what applications I can develop it for you. So I will simply say build a image to PDF, complete a web app, create a index.html file. So I simply send this request and now the AI will start developing the application to you. So it's completely free, unlimited API. These free models will definitely work all the time. So just the requirement is that you log in with your Google account, create an API key, and start developing your applications. So I personally tried this. So it's similar to OpenRouter, but it's better than OpenRouter. OpenProvider, you need to approve the permission. So the process will remain the same. Once it completes, you will get a notification. So here you get all the requests that you made to the API, total request, success rate, average latency, top model, everything you will be there. Get the stats, how you are calling this. And it's not limited to creating applications. You can even create images as well. All these documentations are given to you. You can even create audio as well. So you can just see right here. You do have the playground section as well. So this is the account preview section. We will see that. So it's a really good API, free API. There is no, as you can see, there is no subscription button out there. It's a free website, free and unlimited website. You don't need to pay anything. You can get started for completely free. Just follow the steps. And if you like this video, please hit that like button and also comment on this video as well. But you can see all the models present right here. If you simply search for simply Claude. So you simply approve the permissions. So it will create this index HTML file, then add the CSS, implement JavaScript, and test out the application. So it's actually creating this index.html file for you. I have shown you both the ways. You can actually try out the playground section, or you can directly integrate through your VS Code through RuCode extension. So once it completes, you will get a notification as your file will be created. You just need to wait. So this will only be taking time for the very first time as you're doing it. After subsequent request will not take a lot of time. So just need to see this. You can see that now we are using a different model, OpenAI Fast. Again, it simply return the response to you.